In this video, we have a 2006 Mercedes C-Class. One of my favorite colors, again here, black. This car is it's got a decent amount of miles on it, but it's got a lot of sap on it. But at the end of the day, this is a nice car. A 2006 is still looking good. The body's in good shape, no rust, anything like that. But I'm not trying to sell the vehicle, but this was a interior focus detail. As you'll see here, it needs a little work on the carpet. It has tan interior leather. Leather is very nice looking, but it definitely needed some cleaning. So we got all that done, and here's the video. All right, detailed therapy at its best. Take a look. Let me know what you think.